I've spent roughly the last 6 years of my life slowly learning about the inner workings of the stock market. And by no means am I an expert, but if you're curious about the stock market or exploring the unknown world of day trading, today we are going to dive into some of the basics. The first thing that we need to do before we can begin riding the waves of volatility is find a broker. What is a broker, you might ask? The broker is a middleman between the stock exchanges and you as a retail trader, which is how you are able to buy and sell stocks on the open market. Now, there used to be fees every time that you bought and sold shares of a stock, but a few years ago, a company called Robinhood came along and set the precedent for commission-free brokers. Now, all the major brokers like E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, and Fidelity do not charge fees for transactions anymore. With all brokers now being commission-free, you may ask, how do I know what broker to use?
It's one of life's mysteries, sir.
There are some brokers that are better for some things than they are for others, but for getting started, we're going to take a look at a couple of the more well-rounded ones. I personally have used almost all of the major platforms, and I have two favorites. The best desktop version that I've used is Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. It's pretty straightforward to use and has some unique features as well. The best mobile app that I've used for trading is called Webull. The interface that they've designed for this app makes it really easy to create a list of stocks to watch, monitor overall markets, and place trades. Now that we have figured out what broker to use, how do we find the next hot stock that'll take our portfolio to the stratosphere? You actually don't need to be a stock picking expert to get started trading on your own. There is a way that you can dip your toes into the sea of vast financial markets without using any of your own hard-earned money. Option number one, you can do something called paper trading. This is a free service offered through a lot of brokers where you can practice your trading with virtual money. This can be a great tool to learn how to execute trades or test strategies. However, since the money in that account is virtual, not being able to lose any real money also means that you aren't able to make any real money.
That's a bummer. Okay.
So that brings us to option number two, which is a few of the newer trading platforms like Webull and Public will actually offer a sign-up bonus when you create an account. And after the stocks settle in your account, you could sell them and use that money to buy other stocks. Even though the dollar amount may be small, being able to place real trades will allow you to feel what it's like to actually trade, which is important in my opinion, since understanding and learning to manage your emotions is a huge part of trading. If you're interested in signing up for Webull and Public, you can download them using my referral links in the description below. This is my first video on this channel, so thanks for sticking around and watching it all the way to the end. I plan on jumping into a variety of topics, including but not limited to the stock market, day trading, side hustles, and starting a business. I also plan on talking with other business owners, entrepreneurs, and day traders to hear their insights on what has led to their success. So if you'd like to follow along, I'd appreciate it very much if you subscribed.